नमस्कारम एंड वेलकम टू ऑल द ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज। स्वागत है आपका हमारे आज के एपिसोड में, जो कि है वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी ट्रेडिशनल एंड ऑथेंटिक कंचीपट्टू साड़ीज़ के बारे में। These sarees are extremely beautiful. They are in different current variations. They are in such contrasting color combinations, and let me first show you the one that I'm wearing right now. This one is a very gorgeous sea green color kanchipattu sari which has silver zari, florals and leaves jal with forest theme work on the body. We have peacocks, we have deers and elephants. We have lions and a lot of beautiful work in silver zari all over the body. The border has cross lines all over it in silver zari. And the gorgeous pallu has florals and cross checks, brocade work again in silver zari. The sari has a lovely self blouse, and to place an order for this one, just take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Now ladies, before starting with today's episode, let me ask you what color saris you want to see. Please let me know your answers in the comment section down below. That way I will be able to show you more of your favorites and you can shop more and more from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to the first sari from today's collection. Here comes a very gorgeous sari in a lovely color combination. Let's have a look at the details. This is a beautiful pink with green color kanchi pattu sari, and on the body we have all over floral buttis and zari in tissue, gorgeous gold zari tissue. Look at the lovely shine all over the body, and here's the green color contrasting border which has temples, cross lines, florals and boxes. We have peacocks, we have diamonds, paisleys with florals and again cross lines in gold zari. A lot of gorgeous work is there on the beautiful border of the sari, and here is the contrasting pallu which has leaf buttis in cross lines. This is also gorgeous gold zari work. Let me show you the contrasting blouse for this sari which is in green color, and to place an order for this very lovely combination, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BQ778. Weaver's price is 15,999 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari from today's collection of Kanchi Pattu sarees. This one is a lovely peach color sari with silver zari work all over it. On the body of this beautiful peach sari, we have dollars in cross checks with diamonds in silver zari. Very pretty, very feminine color. Here is the border which has temples, dollars and lines, zigzag lines, peacocks with florals. Again we have zigzag lines in silver zari. Here's the pallu which has drop buttis all over it in silver zari. We also have paisleys in line. And this sari has a lovely self blouse. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BY328. Weaver's price is 7,919 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous sari. This one is a very royal purple color kanchipattu sari. A beautiful sari with beautiful work all over it. On the body of the sari, we have self-embossed floral buttis, and then we have leaf buttis in copper zari. So we have two types of different work on the body of the sari. The border has temples, dollars in boxes, peacocks in lines, florals in cross checks, and again we have dollars and peacocks. We have a lovely balanced design here in copper zari, and let me now show you the pallu which has diamond brocade work all over it. This sari has a very beautiful self blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BX347. Weaver's price is 13,999 rupees, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next one, ladies. Please let me know what colors you want to see. I will definitely try to show more of your favorites in today's episode. Moving on to next sari. Wow, don't you just love the color combination? This one is a gorgeous mustard with magenta color Kanchipattu sari, and on the body we have leaf buttees in gold sari. You can see that there's a threadwork detailing around the leaf buttees in magenta color, which is making the design more prominent, more lovely. And here is the contrasting border in magenta color. We have florals, then we have cross lines and peacocks in boxes, and all this beautiful work is in gold sari. Here's the pallu, which has diamond brocade work all over it, along with the florals and leaves jal in gold zari again. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse, which is in magenta color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BX513. Weaver's price is 15,999, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next very beautiful sari from today's collection of Kanchipattu saris, and these saris are pure Kanjivaram silk saris. So authentic and so traditional. Let me show you the details of this one. So this one is a gold with pink Kanchipattu sari, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal. The tissue work is in gold sari, and we have threadwork detailing in green and pink color. The border is in contrasting pink color, and we have zigzag lines with peacocks in boxes. We also have small florals and lines in gold zari. And let me now show you the pallu, which has diamond brocade work all over it, along with the peacocks and florals. Here's the contrasting blouse for the sari in pink color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV336. Weaver's price is 17,249 rupees, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to the next sari, let me just have a little chit chat with our very dear customer, Miss Vidyashree ji. Thank you for being here, and thank you for loving today's collection. I hope you will stay tuned till the end, because as you can see, I have many more beautiful saris just to show to you. Welcome here, and I will keep you updated with our new collections also, and Weaver's prices too. Moving on to our next sari now. Here's such a lovely sari with a beautiful border. Let me show you the details of this blue with pink color sari. On the body we have floral buttees, and here is the beautiful pink color border, which has dollars and diamonds in boxes. We have diamonds and lines, there are cross lines, and then we have temples with cross line and diamond detailing inside them. We have wavy lines, and all this beautiful work is in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has zigzag lines all over it, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse, which is in dual shade, that is peach with pink. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY314. Weaver's price is 15,999, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next gorgeous sari now. Another very beautiful sari coming up for all the beautiful ladies. This one is a lovely borderless sari for a very lovely customer. Let me first show you the details. Miss Evangeline, this one is for you, and I hope you will love the design, because this one is a very unique sari. It's in dark purple color, and on the body we have paisleys, florals and cross lines with copper zari. Very beautiful sari. As you can see, it's borderless, giving it a very unique look. And here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work all over it. We also have florals and leaves in copper zari. Copper zari is looking extremely beautiful on the dark purple color. And we have a very lovely self blouse. To place an order for this very gorgeous sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY332. Weaver's price is 8,479, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next beautiful sari, and this one is a very lovely pink color sari. It's an essential in every beautiful lady's wardrobe, so please place an order for this right away. Isn't it gorgeous, ladies? I totally love this sari. Let me show you the details of this beautiful pink sari, which has paisleys, florals and diamonds and drop buttees in cross checks in champagne gold zari on the body. Our border has cross lines. We have florals and leaves jal, and then we have florals and cross checks in gold zari. It's an extremely beautiful sari at weavers prices, and here is the pallu which has brocade work all over it. So first we have florals and leaves jal, and then we have polkas and cross checks with diamonds and gold zari. Let me now show you the beautiful self blouse for this very beautiful sari, and to place an order please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY385. Weavers price is 15,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to next gorgeous sari, ladies, let me show you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about our collections and weavers prices too. Moving on. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. I am back to show beautiful saris to my beautiful ladies, and let me show you this first blue color Kanchipattu sari. This one is very lightweight, and let me show you the details right away. This one has floral buttees and zari. There is copper zari work all over the blue color. It's looking extremely bright and lovely. Miss Vidyashri, blue sari, since you wanted to see one. It's very lightweight. It's very easy to carry. The border for this one has buttees in zari with florals. We have peacocks in boxes too, and there are polkas in checks. Here is the pallu which has brocade work all over it. And a very lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY290. Weavers price is 13,200, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is a very beautiful sari. It's a very lovely combination, a classic combination of green with red. Let me show you the details. And wow ladies, don't you just love the style of this sari? I totally love the border design. Let me show you the details of the body first. We have florals and cross checks on the body. And this work is in gold zari, which looks very royal on the emerald green color. And here's the extremely beautiful border, the extraordinary border in red color, which has cross lines with peacocks and florals. You can see the lovely pattern we have. Here is the pallu. And the pallu has floral brocade work with cross lines, and we have huge buttees here. We have huge floral buttees with a lot of detailing inside them, and all this work is in gold zari. The sari is perfect for all wedding functions, for festivals. And let me show you the contrasting blouse in red color. To place an order for this extremely gorgeous sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is VX529. Weavers price is 19,800, and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next beautiful sari, and this one is for a very dear customer, Miss Vidyashri ji. So this one is a two-tone sari, and I think you will totally love this since you wanted to see a brown color sari. Let me show you the details first. On this sari, we have floral and peacock buttees on the body in gold zari. And our border has temples, cross lines, florals and leaves, jals, circular floral buttees and lines. Work to create a balanced and lovely design. Here's the pallu, which has diamonds and cross lines over it. And a very lovely self blouse which has self-embossed work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY330, weaver's price is 14,399 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just say hi, hello and namaste to our very dear friend, to our very lovely customer in the episode and shop more and more from Varamahalakshmi Silks. I welcome you and I hope you will shop more and more because today's collection is extremely authentic, traditional and it will definitely add more to your beauty. Moving on to the next sari now. This one is a very elegant sari. For all the people who love light colors, very simple designs, I think this is the one for you. We have off-white and mint green color Kanchipattu sari which has floral buttees in zari checks and all this work is in champagne gold zari. Here's the border in mint green color which has kadi with floral buttees and you can see we have lovely colorful detailing here in colorful thread work. We also have small peacocks in the florals. Let's have a look at the pallu which has floral brocade work all over it. Very subtle, very beautiful design is there and a very beautiful contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BR399, weaver's price is 19,949 and you need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just wish a very happy and a very lovely evening to our very dear customer, Ms. Srilata ji. I'm so glad that you're loving today's episode because I am also loving showing you these lovely saris. I'm going to show you many of my favorites too, so please stay tuned till the end of this episode and also shop more and more from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Moving on to next sari. Gorgeous combination, ladies. Let me show you the details of it right away. This one is a navy blue with pink color Kanchipattu sari which has florals and dollars in zari. We have small diamonds also and all the work is in copper and silver zari. Here's the border in pink color which has temples, cross lines, florals in boxes and again we have cross lines in gold zari. And here's the contrasting pallu which has floral brocade work all over it along with the florals and leaves jal. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse which has beautiful self-embossed work over it and to place an order please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BT676, weaver's price is 22,275 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, ladies, let me tell you that we provide global courier service. So no matter in which part of the world you are sitting, it could be any continent, we will deliver your saris to you in no time. So please make sure you are shopping and you are placing the order for your favorite saris within 24 hours because the weaver's prices, they are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next one now. Here's another beautiful sari. This one is in maroon color and has leaf buttees in gold zari all over the body. First of all, maroon color is always very classy and with the gold zari it's looking even more enhanced and beautiful. The border has zigzag lines, small polkas in cross lines and lines, florals in lines. We have diamonds also in lines and again we have repetition of work here to create a balanced and beautiful design. Here's the pallu which has lovely zigzag lines over it, very simple and elegant design in gold zari. And here is the very beautiful self blouse which has brocade work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code that is BS562, weaver's price is 15,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is in a very gorgeous color combination and ladies, let me show you the details right away. Here comes such a beautiful ultramarine blue with magenta color Kanchipattu sari, pure Kanchivaram silk saris. And on the body, we have floral buttees in cross checks and zari. All this work is in silver zari, which is standing out too much, looking extremely gorgeous and bright on the blue color. And here's the border in magenta color, which has peacocks and temples in boxes. We have small zari boxes in lines. There are cross lines. a zigzag line, and then we have peacocks again in champagne gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has paisleys and polkas and zigzag lines in silver zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY306. Weaver's price is 15,749 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to our next beautiful saree. This one is a lovely gorgeous shade of pink, and please make sure you're placing the order for this right away, because pink color and all the shades of pink are an essential in every woman's wardrobe. Let me show you the details right away. We have floral buttees in zari all over the body. This is champagne gold zari work. You can see the beautiful shine it is adding to pink color body. And the border has true gold color zari. So we have temples, florals in boxes, cross lines, and then we have peacocks with deers and florals and elephants. This is lovely peacock theme. Forest theme work in gold zari along with the cross lines in gold zari too. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work. So we have florals and cross checks in gold zari. And a very beautiful self blouse which has self-embossed work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY319. Weaver's price is 16,500. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful saree from today's collection of Kanchipattu sarees. Here's such a refreshing shade of green, ladies, and let me show you the details right away without any waiting. We have florals and leaves jal all over the body in gold zari. The work looks very subtle, yet it's adding a lovely shine to the light green color body. And the border has temples, peacocks in boxes, and cross lines all over it in gold. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it in gold zari. So we have florals in diamond shapes, making a beautiful geometrical pattern. And the sari has a lovely self blouse because the color is so beautiful in itself. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BG642. Weaver's price is 14,399. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next gorgeous saree from today's collection of Kanchipattu sarees. This one is another beautiful saree in navy blue combination with green. Let's have a look at the details. On the body, we have florals and leaves jal with peacocks in zari. All this beautiful work is in gold zari. You can see how much contrast is there and how bright it looks on the navy blue body. Very beautiful design. The border is in green color. We have paisleys, florals in boxes, peacocks with florals and leaves jal. We have dollars and florals in boxes again, cross lines, and then we have circular floral buttees, peacocks in circles. We have triangles with paisleys and diamonds in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has paisleys, florals in lines, temples, and cross lines in gold zari. And a very lovely contrasting blouse in green color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY307. Weaver's price is 15,999. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to the next saree, ladies, let me tell you and remind you that please make sure you are liking, following, and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, because every day we come up with amazing new collections, new sarees just for you at Weaver's prices. When you follow us, you stay updated about current trends and fashion. And when you wear sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you become the fashion icon of every function and festival that you attend. Moving on to next saree now. This one is a very beautiful light blue color Kanchipattu saree with beautiful zari work over it. Let me show you the details. We have peacocks and floral buttees in zari. So we have copper zari and silver zari work all over the light blue body. And the border Has florals and leaves jal, florals in boxes, small diamonds, and then we have zigzag lines in silver zari. Here's the pallu, which has peacocks and floral buttis and checks. We have temples too, and all this beautiful work is in silver zari. And the sari has a very gorgeous contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY299. Weaver's price is 13,599, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next beautiful sari from today's collection now. Here's another beautiful shade of pink, one of the most essentials in your wardrobe, and let me show you the details right away. This beautiful pink color sari has floral buttis on the body in silver zari. And the border has cross lines and peacocks with florals and diamonds. This work is in gold and silver zari. Here's the pallu, which has dollars and curvy checks. It's a beautiful contrasting pallu in green color. And we have a lovely contrasting blouse too. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY331. Weaver's price is 8,079, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Devi ji. So you wanted to know the price of one sari. Please let me know which sari it is. And also you can take a screenshot of the sari and send it to 8900010002 to place the order right away. Moving on to the next sari now. Another beautiful dual shade saris here. This one is in green and maroon color. You can see the beautiful change of color on the body when the light reflects on the body. The border has temples and floral jal with peacocks and circles, while the body has florals and peacocks, yalis with elephants in gold zari. So we have beautiful gold zari work on the body and the border. And here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. So we have florals and leaves in circular buttis in gold zari. Here's the contrasting blouse in red color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BR291. Weaver's price is 13,199, and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is a very beautiful and very pastel color sari. Let me show you the details right away. I know a lot of ladies love very light colors, and I think this one is the one for you. So on the body of this one, we have floral buttis and curvy checks with zari. Very intricate and detailed work is there. And all this work is in copper zari, which is looking extremely beautiful on this pastel peach color body. The border has small zari lines, paisleys, florals and leaves, and zigzag lines in copper zari. And here is the pallu, which has floral brocade work all over it, along with the paisleys and florals and leaves jal. So florals are in geometrical shape, making a beautiful geometrical pattern in copper zari. And this sari has a lovely self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY310. Weaver's price is 15,840. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Our next sari is a classic combination of green with red, and let me show you the details right away. Such a gorgeous sari with beautiful details all over it. On the body, which is in green color, we have floral buttis and cross checks. This work is in silver zari. Gorgeous contrasting work on the green color body, which has tissue in gold on it. And the border in red has florals in boxes, peacocks with florals and leaves jal. We have diamonds, and then we have cross lines in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has cross lines over it. Very classic, original, beautiful gold zari work is there. And the sari has a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY317. Weaver's price is 17,249. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now, before moving on to the next sari, ladies, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about our collections, Weaver's prices, and live timings too. Moving on.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. Hello ladies, I am back, and before moving on to the next saree, let me just share a very interesting tale. So it is believed that the weavers of these Kanchivaram silk sarees are the descendants of Rishi Markande, and who was considered the master bunkar, the weaver for all the gods and goddesses. This makes these sarees even more unique, authentic and traditional. So please make sure you are placing the order for your beautiful Kanchipattu saree from Varamahalakshmi Silks right away. Ladies, let me show the details of the gorgeous saree that I'm wearing right now, because so many of you are loving it and I love it myself, the combination of pink with green. Let me show you the details of it one more time. On the body, which is in sea green color, we have forest theme work. There are florals and leaf shawl with deers, elephants, birds. We have lions, we have yallis, beautiful silver zari work. The border has cross lines over it. And the pallu for this saree has gorgeous florals in cross checks in silver zari. This saree has a self blouse, and to place an order for this one, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BU925. Weaver's price is 18,749. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to our next beautiful saree today. Such a beautiful color combination, and let me show you the details. This one is a magenta with navy blue saree, and we have floral buttees and cross checks with gold zari on the body. Threadwork detailing in purple color is making the design even more lovely, more prominent. And the border, which is in navy blue color, has diamonds and peacocks with florals in lines in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has diamond brocade work over it in gold zari. We have dollars in boxes. We have peacocks with florals too. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse which has self-embossed work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY302. Weaver's price is 15,999. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next saree, let me just answer a query by a very dear customer, Miss Kalpana ji. So these sarees are pure Kanjivaram silk sarees. These are totally authentic and traditional too. Let me now show you our next beautiful saree. This one is a gorgeous green with pink color Kanchipattu saree. Such a bright and beautiful color combination. On the body, we have floral buttees in zari. We have beautiful gold zari work all over the body. And the border in pink color has cross lines, florals and boxes. And then we have florals and leaf jal in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it. And a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY309. Weaver's price is 16,500. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful saree from today's collection of Kanchipattu saree, pure Kanchivaram silk sarees. Here comes a gorgeous navy blue color saree with lovely gold zari work all over the body. We have floral buttees and zari on the body. All over the body, we have small floral buttees creating lovely shine all over the body. The border has temples, diamonds in boxes, paisleys. We have florals and lines. Then we have these beautiful floral buttees and a repetition of work along with diamonds. It's a beautiful balanced design in gold zari. Here is the pallu, which has peacocks and florals in checks. Very gorgeous, very intricate work is there. And let me now show you the contrasting blouse for this saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY321, Weaver's price is 8,319 and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 Our next sari is for a very dear customer, Miss Minashi ji, who wanted to see this unique color combination, and I have the perfect sari for you right now. So let me show you the details of this gorgeous grey color Kanchipattu sari. On the body, we have florals and leaves in self-embossed work. Gorgeous, lovely, very intricate and elegant work. And here is the border, which is in two colors. So we have zigzag lines in copper zari. And then on the cream color, we have zari boxes in silver zari. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it. We have florals and leaves jal with zigzag lines in copper zari. And then we have these beautiful intricate floral zaris, floral butti in copper zari. And here's the beautiful contrasting blouse in cream color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY293. Weaver's price is 14,960 rupees and you need to send the screenshot to 890001 Let's move on to the next sari, and before that, let me just say that Miss Meenakshi ji, this was a beautiful absolute pick for you, and please make sure you're placing the order right away because Weaver's prices, they are valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to the next classic sari. This one is a green with maroon color Kanchipattu sari. Let me show you the details. We have cross lines and boxes with zari on the body, and all this work is in gorgeous gold zari. Gold always looks very royal on green color. And the border in maroon color has paisleys in boxes, zigzag lines, we have diamonds, dollars in lines and cross lines in gold zari. Here's the pallu, which has brocade work over it. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in maroon color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY289. Weaver's price is 16,499 rupees. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Our next sari is for a very dear customer, Miss Deepal, and who wants to see a lovely light orange color sari, and I think I have the perfect sari for you today. Look at the beautiful color, and let me show you the details because I totally love the border design. So on the body, we have floral buttis in gold zari. And have a look at this gorgeous border in cutout design. It looks amazing. It's not a very simple border. We have cross lines with florals and elephants here in gold zari. So you wanted a gold border, so have beautiful gold zari work here. And here's the pallu, which has brocade work on it. So we have elephants with dollars, and then we have dollars in cross checks in gold zari. This beautiful light orange sari has a lovely contrasting blouse, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY292. Weaver's price is 19,800. You need to send the screenshot to 890001 Before moving on to the next sari, let me just answer a query. So Miss Sharbani ji, you wanted to know the price of a particular sari. Please let me know which one it is. You can just take a screenshot of the sari and send it to 890001 Moving on to the next one now. Another very elegant sari is here. Very pastel shade body. On the body, which is in light peach, pastel peach color, we have floral buttis in zari. The silver zari work is extremely elegant, very classy. And the border in green color has polkas and boxes, peacocks with florals and leaves jal in gold zari with small cross lines too. Here's the pallu, which has floral brocade work over it. We have florals and curvy checks in gold zari. And a beautiful contrasting blouse, which has self-embossed work on it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY325. Weaver's price is 21,450. You need to send a screenshot to 890001 Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank Miss Sasmita ji, who just sent a lot of love our way. Thank you so much for supporting us and always watching our lives every single day. Please make sure you're placing the order for your favorite lovely sari right away because Weaver's prices, they're valid only for 24 hours. Moving on to next one now. Here's the ultimate classic sari, a red color Kanchipattu sari, and let me show you the details of this one. We have floral buttees and gold zari on the body. The work is extremely elegant, very simple and classy. And the border has zigzag lines. We have florals and diamonds in cross checks, and again we have zigzag lines in gold zari. You can see how beautiful gold looks on the red. Here is the pallu, which has floral buttees and cross checks in gold again. And this sari has a lovely silk blouse because the color is so rich in itself. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY286. Weaver's price is 10,799 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Now before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank Shilpa ji, who's loving the saris. Thank you so much for enjoying our episode and thank you so much for your love too. Please stay tuned till the end of this episode because I have many more beautiful saris to show to you. Moving on to the next one. Here's a beautiful green with pink color Kanchipattu sari. And this one has small floral buttees in gold on the body. The border in pink color has peacocks and florals, and then we have cross lines in gold zari. And here is the pallu, which has peacocks and boxes and floral brocade work in gold zari too. Let me show you the gorgeous contrasting blouse, which is self-embossed work over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY323. Weaver's price is 15,263. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, let me just thank Sri Lata ji, who's also loving the episode, loving the collection. I'm so glad to receive so much love from you ladies every single day. This is why we at Varamahalakshmi Silks always try to deliver the best to our dear customers. Moving on to the next one now. Such a beautiful canary yellow with light blue color Kanchipattu sari. The color combination is extremely beautiful. On the body we have florals and peacocks with curvy checks with zari. The gold zari work is adding a beautiful shine to the canary yellow color. While the border in blue color has peacocks, dollars in boxes, we have bulls with florals. We have cross lines and circular floral buttees in gold zari. Here's the lovely pallu, which has brocade work over it. And this is the contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY329. Weaver's price is 15,199. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to next beautiful sari. This one is a lovely green with maroon color Kanchipattu sari. Such a beautiful color combination, ladies. Let me show you the details right away. On this beautiful green color sari, we have all our leaf buttees in gold zari. We have small floral buttees also between the leaf buttees. And the border in maroon color has cross lines with leaf buttees and diamonds too. Very beautiful gold zari work is there on the maroon color border. Here is the pallu, which has florals and cross checks. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for this sari, which has self-embossed work over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BV280. Weaver's price is 22,275 and you need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to the next gorgeous sari. This one is also a very beautiful color and let's have a look at the details. Gorgeous pink sari for all the gorgeous ladies. We have dollars and cross checks with gold zari. There are small florals between the cross checks. Our border has floral buttees and cross checks with yalis and peacocks, and all this work is also in gold zari. Here is our pallu, which has brocade work all over it. We have diamonds and cross checks in gold zari along with circular floral buttees in gold too. And let me show you the self blouse, which has self-embossed work over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY300, weaver's prices 22,499. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Now ladies, before showing you the next saree, I will be showing you these simple steps. Just follow them to follow VML on Facebook and stay updated about the collections and weavers prices too. Moving on. Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos. And I'm back with another beautiful saree for all my beautiful ladies. Let me show you the details. This one is a gold with blue color kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal in zari. Florals are in blue color thread work which is standing out beautifully on the gold body. The border has temples, zigzag lines and peacocks in gold zari. And here is the pallu which has leaf brocade work over it. Let me show you the gorgeous self blouse for this very gorgeous saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is AN307. Weaver's price is 15,749. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let me show you next lovely saree. This one is such a beautiful shade of pink. It's a very light pink color saree with maroon. Again, an essential for all your wardrobes. And we have florals and polkas and cross checks with silver zari on the body. Lovely pattern is there, adding a lovely shine on the body. The border in maroon color has peacocks with florals and cross lines in gold zari. So we have a contrast of zari on the body and border. And pallu has floral brocade work. So we have florals and curvy checks in gold zari. The saree has a very beautiful contrasting blouse which has self-embossed work over it, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY303. Weaver's price is 20,249. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Moving on to our next saree. This one is a classic red color kanchipattu saree, a pure Kanjivaram silk saree. On the body of this lovely orange with red mixed color saree, it's a tomato red color I can say, and on the body we have florals and leaves jal in zari. Gorgeous and royal gold zari work on the body. Border has florals, cross lines, diamonds, paisleys and florals again in gold zari. And let me show you the pallu which has brocade work all over it. So we have peacocks and florals in boxes. There are dollars too, and then we have small florals in cross checks in gold zari. Let me show you the beautiful self blouse for this very beautiful rich saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY288. Weaver's price is 15,199. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful saree from today's collection, and this one is such a lovely green with navy blue color saree. On the body we have tissue work. We have florals and leaves jal with peacocks on the body with gold tissue, and there's thread work detailing in navy blue color, making the design more lovely, more prominent. Border is in navy blue color, has peacocks and florals in boxes, and then we have diamonds, and all this beautiful work is in silver zari contrasting with the body zari. Here's the pallu which has brocade work over it. Again we have gold zari work here, and then there are peacocks and florals in boxes too, and a very beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY308. Weaver's price is 17,249. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear beautiful ladies, now that I'm done with these sarees, I will be showing you the sarees that are draped on the mannequin, so that you can have a look and you can understand how gorgeous you will look when you drape it on yourself, and with your lovely smile, you're going to glow in it. Moving on to the first one. It's a lime yellow and black color kanchipattu saree, a pure Kanjivaram silk saree. And on the body, we have florals and leaves in zari. The border has cross lines with peacocks, triangles in lines. Border is in black color with gold zari work on it. And our pallu has floral brocade work over it. There's a contrasting blouse in black color, and to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY305. Weaver's price is 23,100. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Let's move on to next beautiful sari, and this one is an orange color. It's an orange with gold color sari, just like a very dear customer wanted. We have florals and zari checks on the body in gold zari, and the border has cross lines and floral jal in gold zari too. Our pallu has brocade work over it, and this sari has a lovely self blouse. Miss Deepal, this is the perfect sari for you since it's in light orange and gold color. To place an order for this lovely sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY315. Weaver's price is 13,599. You need to send a screenshot to 8900010002. Before moving on to the next sari, ladies, let's take blessings from the Divine Goddess to have a wonderful week ahead. And now moving on to the next beautiful sari. This one is in grey and pink color. This is also a sari that one of a lovely customer wanted. On the body we have florals and leaf jal and zari, and there is beautiful gold zari work over it. And the border has florals and leaf jal with diamonds. Our pallu has floral buttis in checks. And we have a contrasting blouse in pink color. To place an order for this beautiful sari, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BQ753. Weaver's price is 20,249. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Miss Meenakshi, this sari is perfect for you. It's in grey color and has beautiful gold border too. Please make sure you're placing the order for your favorite sari right away. Now I will be showing you the last sari for today's episode. This one is also a gorgeous pink color Kanchi Pattu sari, a pure Kanjivaram silk sari. We have florals and leaves jal with peacocks and zari on the body. That's beautiful gold zari work all over the body. And the border is in magenta color, has cross lines with florals and peacocks and leaf buttis. Our pallu has brocade work over it. And we have a contrasting blouse in magenta color. To place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code, that is BY311. Weaver's price is 13,599. You need to send the screenshot to 8900010002. Dear beautiful lovely ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode because I totally loved showing you these authentic traditional Kanchi Pattu saris to all of you. I tried to show you so many different color variations and various price ranges too, and I think I was able to show you most of your favorites. If I was not able to show you your favorites, all you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience, and then they will show you all the beautiful saris in various colors and price ranges too, and you can directly shop through the video calling too. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and also keep showing your love and support to us too. Namaskaram.
సో ఇప్పుడే నేను కంచిపురం వరమహాలక్ష్మి సిల్క్ స్టోర్కి వచ్చానండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ శారీ కలెక్షన్ కానీ ప్రైజింగ్ రేంజ్ కానీ చాలా 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 బాగుంది. సో ఎప్పటికప్పుడు లైవ్ అప్డేట్స్ని అండ్ ఆఫర్స్ని మిస్ కాకూడదంటే డూ ఫాలో కంచి విఎంఎల్ సిల్క్స్.
Hi guys, today I will